Hello friends, welcome back once again. In this video tutorial I am going to share my experience with you about the Sony Bravia X70G. It is a 43-inch 4K Smart TV which comes with some awesome features which you're really going to love it. I'm enjoying this TV since a couple of days and it was really awesome to represent to you today. As this TV just released in June 2019 by the Sony, so it is definitely going to have some awesome and cool features which I am going to discuss with you guys in this video tutorial. Later on I will also share my personal experience which I get by using this TV since couple of days. So don't go anywhere, watch this video till the end to get the whole content. This is the overall box of this 43-inch 4K Smart TV. You can find all the specs on the box as well. If you look at the back of the box, you can find the specification along with the release date and other information as well. Here are the other specs and features. It has a 3 HDMI port and 3 USB port. It has a 20-watt output speaker. In the box along with this TV, you will also get the power adapter for the TV, remote control and the wall mount panel. It has also the table stand in the box. So this is the overall things you will get inside the box of this TV. This is the overall setup of my brand new 4K UDH Smart TV, and this is the remote control which comes with this TV. You will find lots of buttons over this, but you can easily recognize the button of YouTube and Netflix. So if you would like to enjoy the content of YouTube, Netflix, you can simply press it and enjoy it. So let's power on this TV and make this live to check out all the other various awesome features like picture quality, sound quality and the app interface of this smart TV. If you hit the home button on the remote, then this will land you to the home interface of this smart TV which has apps, media, settings and home screen. You can check out the various apps supported by this TV by browsing to the apps category. You can check out and look into your media devices through the media, and through settings you can go ahead and check out the various settings of this smart TV. I did not try to play with the settings of this smart TV yet, so whatever you are seeing on your screen right now is the by default settings of this smart TV. Before going ahead to mess with the settings or do any kind of change, I will try to look into the user guide first, which have a step-by-step process to make any changes to a smart TV model. So whatever right now you are seeing on your screen is the default settings of this smart TV. Check out the media section of this smart TV, then you will find few sample pics which is currently inside this TV. You can also attach your media device to store the videos and pics to use it as a frame or use it as a wallpaper on your smart TV model along with the sound or music. Sharing features of this smart TV enables you to connect your smartphone or devices to this TV and watch your favorite pics or videos on the TV directly. You can also use your favorite photo pics to set it as a photo frame along with the calendar and your favorite music on this smart TV. The overall browsing features of content and application of this smart TV is quite amazing. I tried to find out the internal storage of this smart TV, but I would not be able to get it. I also tried to Google it on, but I did not find any link through which I can get its memory details. Let's open few apps and check it out how it's working. So here is the content of Amazon Prime. When you launch the app from the App Store, it will take little bit of time, but after the launch it will run smoothly. Currently I don't have any kind of DTH connection or cable connection attached with this TV. I am currently using my internet connection, which is of 30 Mbps, to play my all kinds of stuff over this smart TV. Let me go ahead and play few clips for you to get the picture quality details of this 4K UHD Smart TV. The 4K capability and UHD features, let's go to YouTube and play some 4K clips. Through the source selection mode, you can switch your TV to the connected HDMI cables devices, or you can also do the screen mirroring of your smartphone or devices with this TV. Let me show you. I have currently connected my PC to the HDMI 2 port. So let me switch to HDMI 2, and now my PC is loading through the HDMI 2 cable. So by the input selection, you can get what kind of device you would like to attach to your this smart TV. Now let's talk about the sound and music quality of this smart TV. This 43-inch smart TV from the Sony comes with bass reflex speakers of 20 watt output for the music and entertainment. It has a clear audio plus technology, which is the latest one in the Sony devices. So here is the sample to check out its sound quality.